to our channel Tutorial Guru again. Hope you are doing fine. I am back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to add a cover in your video. And now without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now okay, let's first open the TikTok app like this, and okay, let's upload a video from my select one, since I don't want to record a video of my laptop again. Okay, just hit the plus button, select the video you want to add your cover to. Let's add to this one. This is select, next. And guys, I'm uploading my video which I had captured from my phone and not from TikTok, so these processes are available. Let's just go to the next page, and here, this is our post page. On the top right section of your phone, you can see the image of the video which we have just uploaded for posting on TikTok. Now on that image icon, you can see the select cover over there on your phone. Tap there and you can choose any of the cover you like to want. You can choose a standard one, you can choose a vector one, you can choose it with a glitch. You can put any of these things on the you can enter some text regarding what do you want to explain in your cover. Some pops like this, you can use some effects like this, but I won't be using anything, just I will be putting none. And before the select your cover and add text, over here the red button which I'm hovering right now, and this box will be the cover which you choose. This box is the literal cover of your video in TikTok. So since everything is the same in this video, I'll be using this as my cover. Okay, and let's just make this cover. Let's add a text, greenery in green color, done, and put it over here. Let's save it. And there guys, our video cover has been added into our TikTok video. There you see guys, it's this simple to add a video cover in your video in TikTok. And if you have any questions or suggestions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below. Hit like, subscribe and that bell icon if you haven't done it already. Peace.